Hi everyone, it's Michael. I was talking to a consulting client the other day and she said, COVID-19 was not part of my business plan, which I thought was a great quote, something that we all, including us, the corporate caterer, can relate to. Whether you're running a restaurant, a catering company, a food truck, a lemonade stand, or a combination of everything. We've, over the last few months, created a digital e-learning platform, which is designed to help take food service operators from the COVID-19 havoc that has been wreaked on our industry into the new world and help you return to profitability. There is light at the end of the tunnel. The platform includes a series of downloads, templates, how-to videos, business strategies to help you emerge. We have some new services also. We have a Wholesale Division where we can help you take a product, a specialty product, whether it's an hors d'oeuvre, a soup, sauces, salad dressings, bring them to the wholesale markets. Big box stores, grocery stores, other restaurants, other caterers. We have an exciting new virtual consulting division that really focuses in on profitability and helping you either maintain or return to profitability or reach new heights of profitability. And if you're not sure where your company stands right now in terms of financial health, we want to help you figure out where you are and areas that you need to work on to get you to where you need to be. We can help you save money substantially right now. We've partnered with U.S. Foods and can help you save up to 17, sometimes up to 20% on your annual purchases as members of our community. We can help you save probably up to about 50% on your website services. We have a menu creation division for COVID-19. We have a fantastic software partner that we are working with in terms of, and whatever you're doing, restaurant catering, they're all in one, home delivery, beautiful software for whatever type of operation you are running. Please join our e-learning center. It's less than $1 a day. That is the launching pad to help us connect with you, whether you're new to the corporate caterer or have been with us for a while. We want to be your co-pilot into 2021 and beyond. There is light at the end of the tunnel. It's getting brighter, and we want to be there with you together. Thank you.